Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook today's delicious looking coconut fried rice. Yeah, let's get started. Please sit down and enjoy watching. Thank you. And for this, we are using chicken which I've washed thoroughly and ready to cook, and I'll be spicing it with some onions, salt, some chicken seasoning, curry powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, some thyme, rosemary, some bay leaves, some chicken cubes. I will stir everything together. Allow it to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes before I add more water. I'll add enough water to it because I'm going to use the stock from it to cook our rice. The chicken is okay now. I'll take it out from the stock and grill it. This is the rice. We have 7 cups of rice here. I'm going to wash it thoroughly. I will parboil. I'll parboil and wash it and get it ready. Remember I told you we are making coconut fried rice, so this is the coconut milk I'll be using. I have a cup of coconut milk there, store-bought, and also coconut milk powder, which I'm adding a cup of water to dissolve. I found out that coconut milk powder adds more flavor to it, so this our rice will be delicious. So into the pot, I'll add the coconut milk, both the milk powder and the liquid, and then also add the stock which I removed from the chicken we cooked. And when it boils, we'll now add the rice, spice it a bit, and cook. Keep watching. Also adding some water because the rice is very strong and I'll need it to be soft enough. Garlic. Allow it to boil when we now put rice. So while the rice is cooking, I've prepared all the vegetables we are using, and here they are. Green beans, using some green beans, sweet corn, some pepper, green peas, carrots, some purple and green onions, and more green onions for garnishing. And rice is on. The rice has dried and is well cooked now, so we set this aside and then fry the vegetables. In a dry pot, we'll add some vegetable oil. I'm using coconut oil for more coconut flavor. And then I've just added the purple and the green onions. After frying the onions for about 10 minutes, I then added some spices. I added some curry powder, ginger, garlic, and some more seasoning cubes. I'll fry it for a while again and then add the pepper. Fry and then add the other vegetables. I hope you are following. After adding all the vegetables, I tested for salt and the pepper. They weren't enough, so I added more. I added some dry pepper and more salt. Fry it a bit, then I take out some because I'm going to fry the rice with this pot, so, and batch by batch. I now take out some of the vegetables and then start frying the rice. And I will continue to fry it like this, batch by batch, until I fry the whole rice. For each batch, I stirred and fried for about 7 minutes before taking it out. And the rice tasted so delicious. Here we have our coconut fried rice. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye.